The team at Balkan Plumbing is constantly searching for ways, sometimes inventive ways, like the vehicle pictured in this video, to produce a higher quality installation, a lower cost installation. The vehicle shown in this video was constructed in-house by our mechanics. It is a specialty cement mixer mounted on a truck that's capable of producing concrete that exceeds DOT specifications by 50%. It also saves time and money for our clients. It enables us to bring in our projects ahead of schedule and under budget. By having a team of people dedicated to customer service, Balkan's able to come up with sometimes inventive ways to bring a job in under budget, higher quality installation, and an installation that exceeds code. This vehicle is an example of our dedication to the sewer and water main industry and being the leader in that industry in the city of New York. Installations such as this is what makes Balkan the trusted name in the sewer and water main industry, providing service throughout Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, and the Bronx. For more information, please contact us online or feel free to call us at 718-849-0900. All site visits are provided free of charge and with no obligation. We look forward to hearing from you.